It's Miss Carrie from Bridgeville Public Library and South Fayette Township Library, and it's time for Quaran-TEENed DIY. And what we're going to be doing today is making wands. And the reason why we're going to do wands today is we're actually going to be doing a virtual mini-con, and this way you can start getting some of your cosplay ready for our big event in June. So what you'll need is your stick to get started and a hot glue gun. And what you'll want to do is I'm going to start making like the place where you hold on to the wand. And like the other cool thing is if you mess up anything, like if I went like this to my wand part, all you'd have to do, you don't even have to, because it'll melt your glue back to where you want it to be, is put the nozzle on. And honestly, that kind of makes like a cool texture. So I'm not going to do my entire wand for you today. I'm just going to show you like the back part. So I did that with the glue. I made like a little design, which is cool. And then you're going to take brown or whatever color you want. It is your wand. I will be happy with you having purple, pink, blue, green wands. It's up to you, whatever you would like. I'm gonna make mine brown. And then you're literally just gonna paint it onto where you did all of your gluing. And you might have to do a couple of coats. Okay, and then I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, and the next part is that you want a separate brush. Okay, and then this is something that they use for miniatures and other things like that. You want, I'm going to use like a metallic, like a coppery color, but you can use gold, you can, like I said, you can use any color that you want for this, and you don't want to put any water on this, all right? And you're just gonna like put it nicely on top, and then it should bring out the details. And then if you see it, like you can just see it brings out some of the light and the dark. It brings a little bit of contrast to what you're making, which is pretty cool. And this is what will make your wand, which is really awesome. So, and you can also like, if you want to have fun with it, if you have gems at home, or if you find some rocks outside or something like that, you can add to it. Like I could put like a marble or a rock at the top of this, or in the middle of this, which would be fun, or have different like displays of maybe sequins or something like that down here. Just have fun with it because it's your wand. You can do whatever you want. But the main thing is just getting in the details with what you do with your hot glue gun, and also with the dry brushing. Like that's kind of key. So I hope you guys have fun. Please make sure to, if you make any of these, to put it in the comments or email me pictures, because I would love to see what you're making. Make sure to join us for MiniCon and bring your awesome wands. It's going to be on June 13th. So yeah, make sure to be there. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.